If you remain in me, and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish. Kaya lahat ng wishes natin ngayon ay tiyak yun, ibibigay ng Panginoon. Tutuparin ng Panginoon. The question is, where do you keep the Word of God? Saan natin iniingatan ang salita ng Diyos? According to Luke chapter 2 verse 51, then Jesus went down to Nazareth with them, with Mary and Joseph, and was obedient to them. But his mother Mary treasured all these things in her heart. According to Psalm 119 verse 11, it says, I have hidden your word in my heart, that I might not sin against you. Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 6 says, these commandments that I gave you today are to be on your hearts. In other words, iingatan natin at pananatilihin sa ating mga puso ang salita ng Diyos.